Hi, sixth grade. You guys have a tough assignment today with the matching equations to coordinates on a graph. So I wanted to go over one of them, maybe two if we have time. It does cut me off at 5 minutes. So let's look at this one. In the earlier assignments today, you get to practice making tables from equations. And in this skill, I expect you to do the same thing. So what I want to do is we have 3 points here. And we need to see if they match these rules. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my points in a table. And I can put them in a table using their x and y values. So our first point goes over 1 and up 3. So that point is 1, 3. Our second point goes over 4 and up 6. So it's 4, 6. And our third point goes over to 7 and then up to 9. So we'll write 7, 9. So since they gave us 2 equations to test, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try applying both rules to my x values. So in my first equation, I know y equals 3 times x. So I'm just going to multiply my x values by 3 and see if I get my y's. So if we look at the first one, 3 times 1 is 3, so that one is true. But on my second value, 3 times 4 is not 6, so that's not true. What that means is that this first equation can't match the points on my graph because it doesn't fit all of the pairs that I'm given. So we know right away that the first one does not work. Let's try the second one and see if that one works, though. Let's see. This eraser is a little funny sometimes. In my second rule, I see that y is equal to x plus 2. So what I need to do here is I need to add 2 to my x values. So I'm going to say 2 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 7. And we'll have to see if they're equal. Well, in this one, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 2 plus 7 is 9. Since all 3 of those points work and make the equation true, I can say that b, y equals x plus 2, does match my graph. Let me move myself over so I can hit enter. I don't know if it's going to let me hit enter. Okay, let's try it this way. So I hope this helps a little bit. If you get stuck on these, I really recommend making a table. The table helps a ton. It helps you sort things out. Have a good rest of your day.